So I was using the digital multimeter to probe the wires, and a little known feature of the digital multimeter is if you just take the wire off and jump it from here to there, you could start the car.
Whoa!
See? Look at that.
It runs.
Hold on, we got a faulty fuel line dripping everywhere now.
Okay.
So it picked up gas, and now this fuel line is junk. Here we go. Alive.
Wow.
That sounds all right. Wow, that's pouring gas.
Is it?
It's bad. All junk. But we can fix that pretty easily.
Man, it runs good.
It sounded great.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, let's fix that. There's the dead one. I'm gonna throw this away.
Thank you, HRG, for your hose. I appreciate it.
Junk.
Okay.
Ready to start again?
I believe is fixed.
Go.
Hey, that's fixed.
Fixed?